Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to move money from Chase Bank to Cash App. First of all, open your Chase app, then log into your Chase mobile app. Link Cash App and as an external account if not already linked. For that, go to Pay and Transfer, then transfer money, add an external account, enter your Cash App routing and account number found under Banking in Cash App. Transfer money from Chase to Cash App. Go to Transfer Money, select your Chase account as the sender. Choose Cash App or linked bank as the recipient. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Now wait for the transfer. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days. It's free. Instant transfer. Use cash apps. Add cash option with a debit card. Fees apply. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.